Once you find the home that you want to make yours, it's time to make an offer. Your agent's going to be your strongest ally in this process. They have tools to help you understand how much homes in the area have sold for and how the home you're interested in compares. They can also help write an offer for you that is competitive but also keeps your interests in mind.
It's easy to be impulsive once you've found a home that you love, but it's important to take your time and thoroughly review all of the costs involved before you jump in. That includes your initial down payment, your monthly costs, and any recurring payments such as a monthly HOA fee. Also, there's always a chance that someone else loves the home as much as you do. Take time to think about how you want to approach situations like a bidding war. That's what happens when there are multiple people interested in a home and they all offer above asking in hopes of securing the property. How far does your budget really stretch? And how far are you willing to go to get a house? These are important questions to not only ask yourself, but discuss with your agent before you enter negotiations with a seller. When you're making an offer, one of three things will happen. 1, the seller will accept your offer. 2, the seller will reject your offer. Or 3, you and the seller will enter into negotiations, and then the seller will either accept or reject your offer based on how that goes. Keep in mind that the listing price is not necessarily what the house will sell for. In a competitive market, you may have to offer above list price, whereas in a less competitive market, you can get away with offering a little bit less. However, if you do choose to do that, it's best to provide some sort of rationale, such as data from your agent supporting your position.
The dollar amount of your offer is important, but so are the conditions. A condition is a term that the seller must meet in order for the sale to go through. As a buyer, your conditions outline situations that allow you to back out of a deal or renegotiate if they aren't met. Fewer conditions can make an offer more appealing, but conditions also protect you, so you want to be careful about where you do and don't use them.